Guys, I've just acquired a Eureka the Boss super light bagless upright vacuum cleaner from the flea market. As you can see, it's in pretty rough condition, but it still works nonetheless. Man, I want to unplug it though. Let's jam that roller. And check this out. I got attacked, but then this happened. Oh, it's smoking. Oh my God. Take it up here. Take it up there. Alright then. Okay. Let's do the brush roll. What happened to reselling this thing? It went away. Does it still work? I don't know. I don't think so. I have just clocked it in the motor and somehow it is still going. The punishment that this little thing can take. Press F in the chat for me, guys. My mom's cat attacked me. Okay, I have just reassembled it. Will it still work? Oh my God. What about the brush roll? Does this still work? You gotta be kidding me at this point. Look at that! Time to end it here, guys. Well, I just killed it. Tune in later, Vac-Dude squad, and I will see you later when the old lady sings. Goodbye.